Hello learners, myself Dr. Renuka Mainde, corporate nutritionist and counselor for IGNOU in their MSc Nutrition and Dietetics course. Today we are going to learn about dietary fiber. Dietary fiber has been termed as non-digestible constituent making up the plant cell wall, and further its definition has seen several revisions. Botanists define dietary fiber as a part of plant organ, chemical analyst as a group of chemical compounds, consumer as a substance with the beneficial effects on human health. For dietetic and chemical industry, dietary fiber is subject of marketing. Later, dietary fiber was defined as component of plant foods and includes material of diverse chemical morphological structure resistant to the action of human elementary enzymes. Over the millions of years of human evolution, dietary fiber has played an important role in maintaining healthy colonic microbiota, cardiometabolic process, and many other health benefits. Fiber comes from whole or minimally processed plant food. The present module talks about different definition of fiber and its classification. Let's understand first what is dietary fiber. Dietary fiber can commonly be described as that portion of food that is not digested by human small intestine. It passes into a large intestine where it is partially or fully fermented. These physiognomies of dietary fiber are connected with numerous well-documented health benefits. Dietary fiber is most commonly found in plant cell wall. It includes cellulose, hemicellulose, pectin, oligosaccharides, and lignin. Dietary fiber cannot be digested and absorbed in small intestine. Instead, it is fermented in large intestine by colon microorganisms to produce short-chain fatty acids, which in turn can be absorbed and contributed to human health, such as anti-tumor, anti-inflammatory properties. Let us research demonstrate that diabetes, obesity, and many other health issues of human beings are increased significantly due to low dietary fiber intake. Dietary fiber has gained a lot of public attention. Let us now understand the different definitions of dietary fiber. Trovel et al. In 1985 described and defined dietary fiber. Dietary fiber consists of remnants of plant cell resistant to hydrolysis by elementary enzymes of man, whose components are hemicellulose, cellulose, lignin, oligosaccharide, pectins, gum, and waxes. Now let us understand the second definition defined by American Association of Cereal Chemists. In 2000, defined dietary fiber as the edible part of plant or analogous carbohydrates that are resistant to digestion and absorption in human small intestine with complete or partial fermentation in large intestine. Dietary fiber includes polysaccharides, oligosaccharides, lignins, and associate plant substance. Let us now see the third definition, which is given by National Academy of Science during year 2002. They have defined dietary fiber are the complex to include dietary fiber consisting of non-digestible carbohydrates and lignins that are incentric and intact in plant. Functional fiber consisting of isolates, non-digestible carbohydrates which are beneficial physiological effects in humans, and total fiber are some of the dietary fibers and functional fibers. Here we have seen the three different and commonly accepted definitions of dietary fiber. Let us now understand the classification of dietary fiber. The most applicable dietary fiber is classified into two categories such as water soluble and water insoluble. Insoluble fiber less ferments and they include cellulose, hemicellulose, and lignins, whereas soluble fibers are well fermented and they include pectin, gums and mucilages. It is very well fermented in the small intestine and it is water soluble. The classification of dietary fiber components on the basis of water solubility and fermentability is presented in table. Let us understand the insoluble fiber first. It includes cellulose, the main structural component of plant cell wall. Insoluble fiber is concentrated with the alkali and soluble in concentrated acid. It is found mostly in plant vegetables like beet sugar and various bran. Hemicellulose is found in cell wall polysaccharides which contains a backbone of 1 to 4 glycosidic linkages. It is soluble in dilute alkali. It is found mostly in cereal grains. Let us now understand lignins. These are non-carbohydrate cell wall components. It is complex cross-linked phenyl propane polymer resistance. It is found mostly in woody plants. Now let us find out the soluble fiber which is fermented well in the human intestine. The components of primary cell wall with D-glycoturenic acid as a principal component, generally water soluble and gel forming. It is found in fruit, vegetable, legumes, beet and potatoes. Second soluble fiber is gum. It is secreted at the site of plant injury by specialized secretory cells and it is found mostly in leguminous seeds like guar gum, beans and seaweed. Gums are of pharmaceutical use which is mostly found in xanthine gelen and alginates. Mucilaginous, which is synthesized by plant, prevent a dissection of the seed's endosperm. Food industry uses hydrophilic stabilizer and it is found mostly in plant extract like archaea and gums. Let's now conclude that fiber is a type of carbohydrate that cannot be digested by our body enzymes. Fiber is grouped by its physical properties and it's called soluble and insoluble fiber and has all important role to play in human health.